Sa ngayong video mga kabakets, Miami Heat naman ang ating gagawa ng preview. Ito ang kanilang official and final lineup para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Ang kanilang head coach, Erik Spoelstra pa rin. Ang film coach sa NBA, isa sa pinakamagaling na coaches sa history. Malaking transformation ang nangyari sa team na to. Nakuha nilang 2-time MVP na si Giannis Antetokounmpo mula Milwaukee Bucks. Kasama pang stretch big na si Bobby Portis. Das ang latest news, papunta na si Klay Thompson after ma-buyout ng Dallas Mavericks. So itong team na to ay one of the most exciting teams next season. Tara i-breakdown na nga natin ang lineup nila. As usual, magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forwards, centers, at potential starting five ng team. So ito ng mga guards, unahin natin si Davion Mitchell. Isang elite on-ball defender, kilala sa kanyang pressure defense, steals at ability na i-disrupt ang opposing point guards. May high motor, energy at solid playmaking. Hindi pure scorer pero reliable sa system ni Spo na defensive-minded. Last season nag-average ito ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Klay Thompson. Pipirma ito sa Miami Heat once na ma-buyout ng Mavericks. Itong 4-time NBA champion ay one of the greatest pure shooters sa history ng NBA. Elite off-ball movement, catch and shoot mastery, deep range at championship experience ang may bibigay nito. Kahit 36 years old na, ang kanyang shooting gravity ay makakabukas ng driving lanes para kina Giannis at Bam. Ang kanyang winning pedigree ay dala niya rin. Nag-average itong si Thompson last season ng 11 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Tim Hardaway Jr. Isa pang elite 3-and-D shooter, veteran scoring guard, capable of creating his own shot. May experience na sa big moments, magandang secondary off the bench or starter depende sa matchups. Last season, nag-average itong si Hardaway ng 13 points, 2 rebounds at 1.4 assists per game. Sumunod, Phil Larson. Isang young versatile guard wing, improving shooter, defender at all-around contributor. Last season, nag-average ito ng 11 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Drew Smith. Isang backup guard, tough defender, hustle player at energy guy. Perfect para sa second or third unit. Last season, nag-average ito ng 5 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Ryan Conwell. Ang rookie ng team, athletic scoring guard ito with potential. Sa kanyang college career, nag-average ito ng 18 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Trey Donaldson. Isa pang rookie, local product, meron playmaking potential as nag-average siya sa kanyang college career ng 7 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists per game. So ayan ang mga guards, tumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin na natin si The Greek Freak, Giannis Antetokounmpo, ang 2-time MVP, one of the most dominant players in the league. Elite athlete, 1-time NBA champion, finals MVP noong 2021, can score in the paint, kapag healthy, arguably the best player in the world. Isa ring two-way force, unstoppable na sa offensa, ganun din sa depensa. Last season, nag-average itong si Giannis ng 27 points, 10 rebounds at 5 assists per game. Sumunod, Andrew Wiggins. Isang versatile scoring wing, may scoring ability, athleticism, defense at experience. Nakapagkampiyon na rin ito, kayang mag-guard ng multiple positions at mag-score in different ways. Last season, nag-average itong si Wiggs ng 15 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Bobby Portis Jr. isang stretch big, isang physical na player, reliable na role player, perfect benchmark para sa Miami. Kahit sinong team gustong-gusto ng ganitong klase ng player. Last season nag-average itong si Portis ng 13.6 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Nikola Jovic. Isang young stretch forward with size, shooting ability, passing vision at high upside. Still developing pero meron namang star potential sa long term. Last season nag-average ito ng 7 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Simon Fontecchio, ang Italianong veterano, sharp shooting forward, elite spacer, catch and shoot threat, at solid defender. Perfect complementary piece. Last season nag-average ito ng 8 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod sa kanya, Myron Gardner, isang energy at hustle guy, Mr. Do-It-All ng team. Versatile player ito. Pwedeng maging forward, pwede rin maging guard. Last season, nag-average ito ng 3 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist per game. So ayan ang mga guards and forwards. Dumako naman tayo sa mga centers. Unahin na natin si Bam Adebayo, ang best center ng team. Isa ring elite na two-way player, defensive anchor, excellent rim protector, switchable defender, napaka-versatile na player nito, playmaker from the post, rebounder at leader, perfect partner para kay Giannis. Interesting nga ang kanilang combo sa loob. Last season nag-average ito ng 20 points, 10 rebounds at 3 assists per game. At last, Vladislav Goldin, isang 7-footer, developmental big ng Miami. Last season nag-average ito ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist per game. So dumako na tayo sa potential starting five ng team. Point guard, Davion Mitchell. Shooting guard, Klay Thompson. Small forward, Andrew Wiggins. Power forward, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Center, Bam Adebayo. So ayan ang potential starting five ng Heat. Itong team na to ay napaka-solid rin. Another contender sa Eastern Conference. Isa ito sa mga teams na exciting makita next season. Ano masasabi nyo mga Heat fans? For more NBA content, i-like nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.